Hi, my name's Janice Tucker and I'm a practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture and medical Qigong. And I want to share with you my top 3 tips for helping you to relax your mind if you're feeling very stressed, to improve your energy if you're feeling exhausted and overwhelmed, and to improve your sleep if you feel that you're tossing and turning at night and just can't get to sleep. So the first of those tips is called abdominal breathing. And for this exercise, you breathe in and out through the nose with the mouth closed. And as you breathe in, you're imagining that you're blowing up a balloon and that's your belly. So breathing in, the belly expands, and breathing out, and the belly shrinks. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in, and breathing out. So this exercise really helps to relax and calm the mind if you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed. The second tip I have for you is an exercise called circles. So for this exercise, just placing one hand on top of the other and then slowly parting the hands. And then as they reach the side, just turning the palms to face upwards and then lifting the hands. And as you do this, thinking of gathering in energy from the outside world. So drawing the energy in, and then as the hands reach head level, bring the palms together to make a V shape or a roof shape in front of your face. And then once they're together in the middle of the body, drawing them down, thinking here of drawing in the energy you've just gathered down into your lower abdomen area, which is really the engine or the powerhouse for all the energy in your body. And you can repeat those circles as often or as many times as you'd like, just finishing by placing one hand on top of the other. And that tip really helps to improve the overall energy levels in your body if you're feeling exhausted, if you're feeling overwhelmed and really tired. My third tip is called discharging waste energy with vibration. And for this exercise, you're thinking of bringing any waste energy you might have accumulated during the day, be that physical in the form of an ache or a pain or stiffness, or mental and emotional in the form of sadness or grief or worry or anxiety, bringing it from the center of the body deep down within to the surface of the skin. And then you just perform a simple vibrating movement to get rid of it. So just vibrating the body up and down, just nice and soft in the knees, and thinking of drawing that waste energy from deep inside up to the skin surface. And then as you breathe out, think of sending it away from the skin like raindrops leaving the body out into the atmosphere. Tilting first to one side and then to the other side. And then coming to rest. And this exercise you can perform for as little or as long a time as you wish to get rid of that waste at the end of the day, with the result that you'll feel much more energized, much more relaxed, and thereby much more able to sleep peacefully during the night. So those are my top 3 tips. Abdominal breathing is the first one, circles is the second, and discharging the waste energy with vibration is the third.